it's the, you know, the white pinstripe, the flexible stuff?
Yeah.
And I just grabbed it. Great stuff.
Did Morton tell you what happened with him and on the GSL thing? The box truck was supposed to go to GSL.
Right. I still haven't read the body. And I thought that's
Oh, nice.
the funny part of it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, need the following people to come up to Carrie and Dennis Matthews.
Yeah, I got it here. You got it here. Most president to stress a car realistically. Make it look. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's a really good club crowd.
Come on, okay, those in front of the auditorium, about the larger red screen. Benjamin Lorraine, thank you. Okay, a couple other things that are going to happen this afternoon. Starting at noon, there's a show that is starting at noon until 9:30.
So I scuffed them up on some pretty rough sandpaper.
Yeah.
And then what I did is I found a nice military gray that I thought would match it.
It's perfect.
And then I added in a little bit of baking soda or baking powder to that gray and then painted it.
That's a lot of good.
I don't know. Listen. But you both, you know, I know. Just oh, this is my son. So his name is Fred Dawson. I think you're cool. So I talk to him whenever he has time to talk. A lot of times I call him over the whole trip. You got distractions. You got distractions. Good seeing. My bad. I can't complain. No, it's good. That's what I'm saying. I can't complain now.
This show is this dragster. It's very well done, and those are hard to do because it's not the best kit. And I love this Vega. There's a few other ones coming up too that I'll point out that are my favorites of the show. There's two of them. It's unusual, that engine on that dragster. That's cool. I like that. Of course, these are Jimmy's. interviewed Jimmy about these. Those are on a video.
Just like.
He does some great work. This is another one of my favorite builds. Just something plain, simple, and basic. Another one of my favorite builds is this Barracuda. The paint job on this thing is amazing. Got the turntable turned on. Get a better view
Okay,
of this.
folks, be sure to look at the monitors on each side of the auditorium for your raffle numbers. They'll be drawing them probably every 10 to 15 minutes. And
Very cool.
pick it up over here by the loading dock door, the tables are over there. See the gentleman, and they will take care of you.
No, unfortunately, he's no, shouldn't have. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Displays.
When I see people taking pictures, I notice like flash. I just like to see details. You all right, man? So I might check the paint. That's all.
I use actually they're 8/16 inch line, but I found some 32nd. Yeah, it took me 2 months.
I looked at I learned a lot. Like, he actually first learned how to tell the numbers. You get that before it. How was that?
I knew we're done on that car just to make it look more authentic.
And it's unique, like I said.
It's not, you know. I wanted to do something different too, and I had asked a few friends of mine too. When I do the detailed stuff, I like to blow them open like play dice. You know, everything is up, so you can look at it. You know.
on this car, I was like, do I do that? Like, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I will.
And they're like, no, don't do it. Like, you're gonna take away from the cameras and all the other stuff that are on the front of the car. So like to see it in the photo.
And I love the base for it. That was a good idea.
I found the names that are on it, and they spelled Mellow Yellow wrong. Right?
Yeah.
And it's on the clacker board that I found the picture of online, so I wanted to make sure that I did that. You know?
That was super cool.
Yeah. So that was my inspiration, and I mean, like many of the NASCAR fans out there, like Days of Thunder is what really I watched racing before that. Because I grew up in the 80s. I grew up in the 80s. I watched racing, but when that movie came out and you saw those cars on the big screen, it was like,
Oh, that was a big deal. That was a big deal.
and like we were talking about this earlier, but whoever designed the paint schemes for these cars, like all the paint schemes for the Days of Thunder cars are iconic, right? Like you know immediately when you see one, it's like that Days of Thunder, you know. And to this day, race teams are duplicating that paint scheme, you know. So
It's like when we did the cities on the new modifieds.
I mean, about wheel tires.
all the parts.
Files.
This, another one of my favorite builds here. Did a good job with it.
People literally, like, I argue with people, like, they never even made it. And they were like,